Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will be solving a challenging problem from Geeks for Geeks, and it is categorized as a medium level problem. So let's dive into the problem statement. The problem name is rotate and delete. The problem says that given an array ARR integers, do the following operation until a single element left. Okay, for every kth operation, right rotate the vector clockwise by 1, delete the kth element from the last. Now find the element which is left at last. Okay, so after these statements, I have concluded that I have to do some operations till my array is left with only one element. Okay, now here is an example where my array is given as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so at the first operation, rotate the vector clockwise. That is, after rotation the vector array becomes 6 1 2 3 4 5, which means 6 comes at the first and 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and delete the last element, that is 5. Okay, so at the first step, very first step, I have to delete the first element or delete the last element, the 5, and then I have to delete the second element, which means I have to increase the value of k. And okay, I will do that in pen and paper where you can clearly understand what the problem says. So you are supposed to given an array like that, and step 1, what you have to do according to the problem statement, I have to rotate the array by 1. Okay, and the rotation will be like that. 6 will come first and rest of the array will keep intact. Okay, so this is the rotation part, and after rotation I will delete the kth element. Okay, like what is k here? K is step number. Okay, at first step I have to delete k equals to 1, and from the last I have to delete it. Okay, I have deleted it. Then my second step will become step 2. 4 will come first, then rest of the array will keep intact. Okay, and now as the step is 2, my k will become 2 and I will delete 2. Okay, now my array becomes 4 6 1 3. Now at step 3, what I will do, 3 will come first, 4 6 1. Okay, now k is equals to 3, I will delete 4. Okay, at step 4, the array becomes 1 3 6 as k equals to 4, and notice here k is equals to 4, which means this goes to out of bound. Okay, 1 2 3 and then 4. Now according to other solution, you have to do the rotation for deletion. Okay, but in this problem, if you do the rotation by using modulo function, then it will give us the wrong answer. Okay, so for that reason, what I have to do, if our k is greater than our array size, here array size is n and our array size is n means 3 and our k is 4, if k is greater than the array size, then I will delete the first element. Okay, at step 5, my array becomes 6 3 and k equals to 5, and my array size is 2 and k is 5, then I will delete the first element. Okay, as my k is greater than the array size, and at the last step my array becomes 3. Okay, so I have to return these 3. So this is the problem statement, and this is the intuition of this code, and I will make you understand how I will do this in C++. Okay, so at first I will take the function int function of vector int @array. It is given. Okay, and now I will declare n as array dot size. This is the size of my array. Okay, now I will run a for loop till my array size is greater than 1. Okay, till the array size is greater than 1, I will do some operations. Clear? First operation will become, I have to remove the last element, and I have to remove the last element and I have to push it into the front of my array. So what I will do, I will at first insert the at array dot begin, and the element will become array dot back. Okay, and I will delete the last element. Okay, this part is my rotation. Okay, this part is the rotation. Now second part will be how I will delete the kth element. Okay, by swing that step. Okay, now int k is equals to, at first k is equals to 1. Okay, at first step my k is equals to 1. I have already explained. Now I will delete the kth element. Okay, how I will access the kth element from the last. Here you see that k equals to 1 means the first element from the last. Okay, first element from the last of the array. Okay, here k is equals to 2, second element from the last of the array. So how we will access it? This element is size of the total size of the array minus 1. This element is total size of the array minus 2. Okay, so here is the intuition. I have to delete array dot erase array dot begin, and my index is n minus k. Okay, this is my index and I have to delete that index. Now I have already explained that if my k is greater than the array size, okay, then how you will do that? And if my k is greater than array size, then if I do n minus k, it will become 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. So this index will become less than 0. So I will check one condition. If my index is less than 0, then I will simply do index equals to 0. Okay, by which I can erase the first element. Okay, if my index less than 0, and if it is not, then it will simply delete the n minus kth element. Okay, and I will do n minus minus and k plus plus. Okay, because in every step my size of the array is decreasing and k is increasing as k is the number of steps. Okay, then I will return array dot back. So here the main solution. So here is the solution. I will submit it. I have already explained the code. And yes, all the test cases passed. Now I will show you one optimized solution, and I don't recommend this solution because it is very much calculative and I have to traverse all the test cases, and after that I have concluded that, and I have used also ChatGPT for this. So I will not recommend it because you will not able to think about this in competitive exam. Okay, so what is the solution? So after checking all the patterns, like if my array size is even, then every time this kind of element becomes my answer. So after observing all the test cases, the solution will become int function of vector int @array and int n is equals to array dot size. Okay, and what I will do, if n is equals to 1, then I will return array of array of 0. Okay, so till this it is okay. Now I will check if my array size is odd. How I will check it? You know very well that if I do AND operation between odd number and 1, then it will always give you as 1. Okay, so if it gives 1, then it becomes true. Okay, so if the size of my array is odd, then what I will do, n plus equals to 3. Okay, and after that what I will store in index equals to n plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, and I will return array of index. After all that, after watching and observing all different test cases where size is even, array size is even or array size is odd, these steps I have concluded that at first I have to check odd or even size. If it is odd, then I have to plus 3 of the size, and I have to how I will access the index, I will do n plus 3 by 4 and array of index. So this is the solution. I have already explained the code, so I will try to submit it. and yes, it is quite faster. And the previous solution was taking I will go to the previous solution, uh, which was this, and it was taking big of time complexity was big of n, because I have to run a while loop, and every time the array was decreasing, and it will traverse through n operations. So the time complexity was big of n for the previous solution, and for this solution the time complexity is big of 1, because I don't have to traverse the array, and I have just a singly operation of n plus equals to 3 and index like that. So this is the big of 1 solution. And thank you everyone, hope you have enjoyed the video, and if it is, then please try to like and subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button.